How's it going, guys? So in this video, I'm unboxing a item that's on sale from Zwilling, which is a German cookware manufacturer. And this is the Zwilling Clad XTREME saucepan. This is a 2-quart / 2 liters saucepan. Okay, it was on sale for amazingly cheap. This is like, I think $39 shipped to the door. Sorry, added $39 plus $6 shipping. So, you know, less than $50. You get a 2-quart saucepan that's clad, and that's also non-stick with ceramic coating. I'm just gonna open it up, and we're gonna just take a closer look at the build and the construction of the saucepan. This is simply a unboxing without any cooking demonstrations, so keep that in mind. And this is probably the sale from their New Year's deal, and they had a new model came out. Okay, so this is the old model that's called Clad XTREME. Their new model that's replacing this, it's pretty much, you know, the same, but I think they call it Clad CFX or something like that. But anyway, let's take a look. All right, here's a saucepan. So my wife always wanted a special pan that has this kind of special lid, but also like a strainer lid, but also at the same time a pouring like area right here. I don't know how to like sprout, whatever. So this little curved area is what she wants when she makes sauces using the pan. Like our traditional pan, the green pans doesn't have this little curved area. So when you try to pour, it always just makes a huge mess. Now this one, ceramic non-stick coating, medium to low heat. Do not use high heat, as they said, and do not leave the pan empty on the heat source for 5 minutes. Use fat while cooking, like butter or cooking oil. Hand wash to prolong the life. But it looks pretty well made. It's 3-clad, so not sure if it would show. On the outer layer is stainless steel. What's sandwiched in between is a thick layer of aluminum for faster heat up time. And on the interior side is another layer of stainless steel. However, with that stainless steel, they actually coated it with ceramic coating. So supposedly it's non-toxic, okay, and safe for fairly high temperature cooking. So keep that in mind. And don't know what the warranty is on this. I'm gonna peel this out and give you guys a closer look. All right, let's see. It actually looks pretty nice. It's a blue colored ceramic coating. Okay, and this is the lid. The lid is nicely designed because the lid had 2 straining holes. This one is slightly larger for more liquid straining, and this area is slightly smaller holes for if you have finer items that you don't want them to like fall out when you try to put it here and start to drain. And when you put the lid on here, you can see there is a little sprout over there that the liquid could come out easily. So very, very nice. And the handle is entirely stainless steel. Very comfortable, okay? Very comfortable. And it's nicely polished, looks really nice. It's got the Zwilling logo right here. And this pan is, despite the fact that it says it's a German steel, this pan is made in China. So just keep that in mind, okay? It's made in China. That shouldn't deter you from buying this pan. It's also induction gas, electric, halogen, and serine cooktop safe. So it's pretty much good for all kinds of cooktops, including induction cooktops. So I'm thinking, because it's stainless steel, so obviously the metal is going to heat up as opposed to aluminum, and it's going to cook very nicely on all kinds of surfaces. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which means if the pan had any kind of manufacturing defect, it's covered. However, it does not cover misuse of the pan, such as heating it up over to high heat instead of the recommended medium to low heat, as well as discoloration on all the components of the pan. Regardless, they also warranty this pan for up to 2 years of non-stick properties. So within this 2-year period, if you're using it according to the instruction, low heat, medium heat, and it gets, the non-sticking property starts to diminish within 2 years, you can use that and claim a warranty and claim a replacement from Zwilling, and they will give you a replacement. That's according to whatever the instructions said on here. So you can easily activate the warranty by just scanning the little QR code on the pamphlet that you receive, which I think is quite nice. I mean, Zwilling is a big company, so it's going to be there for a while. So if you have any kind of warranty claims, you can certainly go that route and probably get another pan within 2 years if the non-stick property does diminish. So that's the last thing I want to add. So that's pretty much it. Very nice pan for less than, $40. And if you buy more than, I think, $60 worth of items from Zwilling website, you get free shipping. So if you buy 2 pans, it's essentially, free shipping. So it's $39 plus tax. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about this Zwilling saucepan 2 quart Clad Extreme, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I would assume this pan is just going to work as good as any other ceramic non-stick cooking pans that we have. It's probably going to be very similar to the green pan, with the added benefit of the draining lid, as well as a sprout for easy liquid pour. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.